Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to schedule a message on Telegram. And as you can see right here, you will see, you will go ahead to your app store, Google Play, sorry. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and search for Telegram. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna double check if your Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to my screen, and I'm gonna just go ahead to the browser, and here and it says type the message that you want to schedule, and then don't tap or click the blue send arrow. Instead, touch and hold or click and hold the send arrow button and select schedule message. So pick a date and time when you want the schedule message to be sent automatically. So let's try this, right? So basically I'm gonna just go ahead to the Telegram, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select that person that I want to send the message to, right? Let's say for example mom, right? So I'm gonna say hi mom, and instead of sending the message, I'm gonna hold right here, right? And I'm gonna just hit schedule message, and you're gonna be able right here, you're gonna be able to schedule it to whatever time that you actually want, right? If you want it today or tomorrow or whatever, let me just get back to it, sorry. If you want it to be today, tomorrow, or whatever day that you want to send that message, and basically hit send on this date and time, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.